Tangent we all know, a line which touches the circle or line which intersects the circle at one point is called a tangent. Okay, a line which touches the circle is called a tangent. Now in a circle, इस circle के ऊपर can you tell me how many tangents can be drawn from a point on the circle? This is one point, I can draw tangent here. This is other point, I can draw tangent here. This is one point, tangent here. One point here, tangent here. Point here, tangent here. So infinite circle, in definition we have seen circle is a set of infinite number of points. Physics में भी हम लोग ये करते हैं ना, when you take a stone tied to a string and you whirl around, okay? तो if you cut it तो वो tangential ही जाएगा. So tangent is not a new for you. एक बात याद रखो, from this point on the circle, इस point से कितना tangent draw कर सकते हैं? Let me say my center is O and point P is on a circle. From point P, how many tangents can be drawn? From one and only one. Now I am changing a situation. मैं P जो है वो circle के बाहर लेता हूँ. Okay, how many tangents can be drawn now? From a point outside the circle, दो tangent draw कर सकते हैं, एक ऐसा और दूसरा ऐसा. ठीक है. So from a point on the circle only one tangent can be drawn and from the point outside the circle two tangents can be drawn. Geometric construction में, okay, geometric construction में ये construction भी था but we that part is omitted, so we lost the opportunity even to draw this. So from a point on the circle, तो दोनों theorem है, एक theorem ये और अगला theorem जो है वो from the point outside the circle है. Now this theorem is a relation between tangent and radius. Okay, एक tangent है, tangent है, we have one tangent and a radius at a point on a circle. Okay, select this point, ये point ले लो, point P, and at this point draw radius as well as tangent. समझ में आ रहा है ना? At this point draw radius and a tangent. So for a point on a circle, it says that this angle will always be 90 degree. This angle will always be 90 degree. Means tangent will be perpendicular to radius, and this is always, hence a theorem. हाँ, tangent and radius, but they should be on a same point. इसी point के ऊपर, on point P, here this point T, point of contact. At this point T, at this point of contact, a radius is drawn. तो radius और tangent will always be perpendicular. Okay, तो ये याद रखो. ये T उल्टा T लिखा है. Okay, English letter T, उसको उल्टा लिखेंगे, so that becomes a symbol of a perpendicular. Is it fine? The tangent at any point of a circle and a radius through the point, through the same point should be same. अगर मैं point इधर लेता हूँ and at this point I am drawing a tangent and a radius, so angle between them will be 90 degree or perpendicular. Okay, this is symbol of perpendicular. You can also write 90 degree. Clear? Is it clear?
Yes sir.
एंड अगला थियरम तो उससे भी इजी है. इसका प्रूफ मैंने नहीं बताया क्योंकि इसका थोड़ा प्रूफ लंबा इनडायरेक्ट प्रूफ है. ओके, मे बी अगले क्लास में या कभी हम लोग चाहिए तो इसका प्रूफ करेंगे, नॉट नाउ. अभी मैंने एक पोल लिया था, हाउ मेनी टेंजेंट्स कैन बी ड्रॉन. Now from a point outside the circle, two tangents can be drawn. I am just concentrating on this line segment PA. PA is a line segment joined from the external point, okay, and A is a point of a contact of a tangent, and same thing here. This PB is a line segment, and according to this theorem, from a point outside the circle, we know that two tangents can be drawn, and these tangents are equal in length. इसका प्रूफ तो बहुत ईजी है. कैसे होगा? What we will do is we'll take a center and we will take this construction, right? अभी theorem पढ़ा था. What is relation between radius and tangent? If I take this as O, so radius and tangent are perpendicular. Here also radius and tangent are perpendicular. So two triangles, triangle APO and triangle BPO, both are right angle triangles. Their hypotenuse OP, hypotenuse is the side which is opposite to 90 degree. I repeat, hypotenuse is the side which is opposite to 90 degree. So they share a common side, they share a common hypotenuse. OP is the hypotenuse for the triangle APO and OP is the hypotenuse for triangle BPO also. So their hypotenuse are also equal. And they have one more side equal, that is OA equal to OB. Why? Radii of same circle. OA is a radius and OB is also a radius. So two triangles are congruent by this theorem RHS, right? Therefore PA is equal to PB. Length of two tangent segment from a point outside a circle, two tangents can be drawn and they are equal in length. Have you understood this? Is it easy? As of now, don't concentrate on the proof because proof nobody is going to ask. But yes, it is very important to understand a proof. तो हमको समझ में आता है फटाफट, right? Now when I'll take this part मैं बहुत detail में ले लूँगा. But see, when there are two circles drawn, एक छोटा circle draw किया मैंने, दूसरा बड़ा draw किया, okay, दो equal भी draw कर सकते हैं. How they can be drawn? देख रहे हैं आप लोग ये दो सर्कल, one with center P and other with center Q. देख रहे हैं आप लोग ये दो सर्कल which I have drawn. There is no relation. या हम लोग बोलेंगे they are non-intersecting circle. Do they have any common point? No. So they are non-intersecting circle. I could have drawn this as this also. Okay, दोनों के बीच में दो common point है, point A and B, circle with center P and Q. These are called intersecting circles. Intersecting circles, right? These are non-intersecting circles. समझ में आ रहा है? When you draw two circles on your page, तो चार possibility है. एक possibility है you will draw two circles which are non-intersecting और two circles which are intersecting. Intersecting मतलब क्या? उनके बीच में दो common point है. Now listen carefully. Now here I have two circles. Okay, this is one pair of a circle and this is the other pair. They are not intersecting. They have only one common point in between them, that is P. Are you getting it? They have only one common point, that is point P. So these are called touching circles. Not intersecting, these are called touching circles. देखा था ना tangent, touching circle. They are also called tangent circles. Just like tangent have one common point with the circle, so they are called touching circle. देखो ये part बहुत important है, ये अगर ध्यान से देखोगे तो पूरा chapter समझ में आएगा, सम तो फटाफट solve कर लोगे. Touching circles. Now this theorem is about the touching circle. तो इसलिए बाकी सब diagram नहीं दिया, but before we start solving a problem हम लोग सारे situation लेंगे. Touching circle has one common point. Is this point clear? Just like a tangent and a circle have one common point. So we say tangent is touching the circle. Okay. So here we have a common point. And if you take two centers, center of one circle, larger circle and center of smaller circle, these are external tangent circle. External tangent circles. And these two are internal tangent circle. एक के अंदर दूसरा. Internal tangent circles. Right? एक के अंदर दूसरा है. बट दोनों ये थियरम दोनों के लिए एप्लीकेबल है. दैट इज कॉमन पॉइंट एंड टू सेंटर्स इफ टू सर्कल टच ईच अदर. ओके, द पॉइंट ऑफ कॉन्टैक्ट. ओके, ये पॉइंट ऑफ कॉन्टैक्ट और आई कॉल्ड दिस एज अ पॉइंट ऑफ टेंजेंसी इन केस ऑफ टेंजेंट. लाई ऑन अ स्ट्रेट लाइन ज्वाइनिंग द सेंटर्स. अगर ये आप लोग एक लाइन ड्रॉ करोगे ज्वाइनिंग द सेंटर्स ए एंड बी ऑफ द सर्कल, पॉइंट P, ओके, बाहर नहीं लाई करेगा, वो लाई करेगा इसी लाइन के ऊपर. और इन अदर वर्ड्स 3 points आर कोलिनियर पॉइंट्स. दिस 3 points आर कोलिनियर पॉइंट. सो ऑलवेज ये देखने में लगता बहुत फुद्दू सा थियरम है एंड मोस्ट ऑफ द स्टूडेंट्स डोंट यूज एट ऑल. बट आप लोगों का एक मार्क कट जाता है जब आप लोग ये थियरम यूज नहीं करते, क्योंकि वेन एवर यू हैव अ डायग्राम लाइक दिस एंड यू हैव टू डू अ सम, तो आप लोग कंसीडर कर लेते हैं कि ये कोलिनियर है. सो यू शुड नॉट मेक एन एजम्पशन इन ज्योमेट्री. ओके, यू हैव टू एक्सप्लेन कि ये क्या ये तीनों एक लाइन में है. यू आर नॉट अलाउड टू डू एजम्पशन ऑन योर ओन. तो क्या ये तीनों एक लाइन में है? तो वी विल से येस दे आर ऑन अ सेम लाइन यूजिंग दिस थियरम. Okay, I'll take an example when we solve sums and I'll explain you this how to use this theorem. But as of now remember that कि common point या point of contact and the center, these 3 points are in a straight line. When points are in a straight line we call them collinear point. So you can say A, B and P are collinear points or they lie on a straight line. Anyway, ठीक है? Is it fine?
Yes, sir.
Last two theorems.